Here we will write a Python program to print first n even numbers. So in comment line we will write, first we will define function find even with one parameter. Then we will define two variables, I which is initialized with 1 and j which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while condition is true, so while true. Here we will check if I mod 2 equals 0, we will print I and we increase j. So j equal to j plus 1. Then outside the first if condition, we will add another if condition as if j equal to n, we will break the loop and then we will increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will accept value of n from user. So n equal to int input, enter nth term, and we call the function find even and we will pass n as a parameter. And we execute this. I will give 4. It will print first 4 even numbers. If we want to print this number on same line, we will use here end with separator as space. And again we execute this. I will give 8. It will print first 8 even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16.